Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a really delicious and popular appetizer. This one is for shrimp wontons, and of course if you didn't want to make shrimp, you can even use minced fish or minced chicken for this recipe. So we're going to start with our minced shrimp, and to that I added salt and I'm going in with Chinese seasoning. I like to mince the shrimp because you can control how much you put into the wonton skin, and also it cooks really quickly. In goes green seasoning, some sesame oil, and give this a mix. Now you want this, when you mix it, you want it to sit and let it marinate at least for about 15 minutes before you actually start filling the wontons. If you plan on frying them immediately, if not, you can freeze these. These freeze really well. So you're going to take your wonton skin and you're going to take a small amount of the filling, place it into the middle, take some water, and you're going to wet two sides of the wonton skin or wrapper. And then you're going to bring the dry side over to form a triangle. Press down. I'm going to seal it really well. And then you're going to just wet one tip, bend the top part of the triangle over, and then bring the other two ends to seal with some water and close. Look, I'm going to do it here again. You guys can fold this any way you like. This is just the way that I fold it, really quickly like this. Everyone has their own way of doing it. It's still going to taste amazing. Once your oil is nice and hot, but not screaming hot, you want your oil to be like around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to start frying these. They're not going to take very long to cook, and they're going to take about 2 minutes to fry. Once they're nice and golden, you'll know they're ready to come out of the oil. And also, you don't want to overcrowd your pan. And for everyone who wants to know which pan I'm using here, I'm using the Our Place pan in red, and I'll link it for you all in the description box. Our Place is having a sale right now, so you would want to grab it while you get that extra discount. So once it's beautiful and it's golden and crisp, you want to take it out and place it to drain on some paper towels. And let's make the sauce while the next set is frying. So for the sauce, I like going in with some ketchup and some of that pepper soy sauce. This is really delicious and really flavorful. If you're making for kids, then you can use the regular soy sauce. I'm also going to go in with some pepper sauce, some sweet chili sauce, and some more green seasoning. Give that a good mix. If you like it more peppery or more spicy, by all means add more pepper. And then I'm going to empty this into my serving bowl. And if you wanted to make bang bang sauce for this also, I do have a recipe for bang bang sauce here on my channel. It's just mayo, sriracha, and that sweet chili sauce with a little bit of light soy sauce. Mix it well, and you get bang bang sauce. And now it's time to enjoy. So let me bite into one, because I want to show you all how properly cooked it is on the inside and how crunchy it is. And you can see that the shrimp is cooked. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.